The three things you really need to know when using a pendulum, when you're working in the Akashic records, and especially when you're asking questions about a client's past life experiences. The first is that the pendulum is not giving you the answers. The pendulum doesn't have the answers. The pendulum is a tool that is used to access information that is being channeled through the Akashic records to you. So when you're asking a clear question in the Akashic records about a client or a past life experience, the pendulum is either guiding you through your own intuition to the answer being a clear yes or a clear no. And if the answer is a no, then you need to change the question. The second is really about trust, so that when you are not getting the answers that you want or you think that you should be receiving, that you trust the answers that you're given, that you either reframe your question if you're getting a clear no to asking a clearer, more concise question that is guiding you towards getting a clearer yes and a clearer answer in your client's Akashic record. What we don't want to do is not trust the pendulum, because what you're saying then is you're not trusting your own intuition and you're not trusting the information that you are being given and shown that is in the best and highest good for your client. And the third is that you really want to get out of your head, because if you're trying to control the pendulum, you will never receive the answers and the clarity that you are needing to access the client's past life records.